While traveling in Ecuador, I made another key discovery about the role of cars in producing oxidative pollution and creating chronic pain and chronic illness in people. Two towns. One of them, Vilcabamba, which was a town of 3,000 people, not much traffic. And there was another town about 40 miles away, which was Loja. And it had about 800,000 people, and the roads were always crowded with cars. Now, both of these towns got very, very fresh air from the Amazon rainforest that poured over the mountains, which was filled with basically organic aerosols that absorbed free radical energy. And so this was very low energy air. And in Vilcabamba, there is a very low level of heart disease and diabetes. Whereas 40 miles away in Loja, where there were lots and lots of cars driving constantly, there was a high level, more like the world average, of diabetes and heart disease. Thus, with the air from the Amazon rainforest pouring into Vilcabamba, unpolluted by cars, people had a low level of chronic illness. Vilcabamba was one of the blue zones back in the last century, where 5% of the population was found to be over 100 years old. So this low oxidative pollution in the air is a key to longevity and low inflammation, low free radicals, and low chronic illness.